What I have here is a chart that I created that has a universal design for a student to take with them for work-based learning into the rooms they are expected to clean. The first thing that you will notice on this chart is that I color-coded it. I have color blocks for the student to match the color blocks that are on the office plates. They can match the picture of the person whose office it is, the number of the office, and also the name of the person whose office it is. In addition, I included on the chart the tasks in which they are to complete. For example, up top, I have remove trash and replace it with a trash bag, clean the window, wipe down the desk and printer, wipe down the phone, disinfect it, and vacuum. This is also a good way for them to see their progress and what they have completed in each office. The way they can do that is two different ways. You can use a check mark with Velcro, so they can just use the check marks throughout each office. Unfortunately, I ran out of Velcro before I filmed this. Or they can use a dry erase marker to check it. And I recommend a dry erase marker or the Velcro system because it keeps you from having to print paper every day. It's just more efficient.